Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So one piece of mix-up on Blender. The police that was involved in that shooting that them said a Badman, one of them actually escaped from custody. So let's get into it. It says, police are trying to figure out how one of their colleagues who was reportedly involved in the Sunday's dramatic early morning deadly shooting and a high-speed car chase in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, escaped custody. The policeman Kirk Fraser reportedly escaped from custody of another police officer. He didn't escape from no custody, them let him go. The road cop who was reportedly involved in the allegedly hitman-style killing of St. Catherine businessman had been under police guard either destined for or at the Kingston Public Hospital. He was one of the 4 cops who were involved in the car chase that began close to midnight on Saturday. Reports are that just before midnight, an off-duty cop attention was drawn to a shooting incident at a social event at Chedwin's Park in Sunwood, St. Catherine, in which a man, Sheldon Daly, otherwise called Junior Biggs, was killed, reportedly by a group of men, including 3 cops who have been on suspension from the Mobile Reserve. The off-duty cop who observed the shooting pursued the Nissan AD wagon motorcar in which the attackers were traveling, resulting in a shootout with the men that ended at the corner of Job Lane and Bushwick Avenue in Spanish Town. At the end of the exchange, one of the alleged escaping policemen was shot and killed. Another one was held but later escaped, and the 3rd cop escaped from the crash scene. So I would love to know how the one police officer that was actually held escaped from police custody. Nothing more than him and the person that came are friends and Kumbalo, and they're also hitmen also, and they let him go. I wouldn't be surprised. An unidentified male occupant of the other crash was also shot and killed in the incident. 5 guns, 3 Glock pistols, a .45 pistol, and a Browning 9mm pistol was seized from the vehicle in which the rogue cops were traveling. A top-level police probe have been launched into the incident as ascertain how the rogue cops, despite being on suspension, reportedly still have their government-issued Glock pistols and other law enforcement paraphernalia, which were recovered at the scene of the accident. Likewise, an independent commission of investigation has started a probe into the overall incident, including the mysterious escape of the police officer who was taken into custody. Someone also said in my video that the top of the stream dirty, so the bottom will go dirty too, and I completely agree. Honestly, I feel like only thing is going to happen is they're going to get off, because Chucky Brown already told us that there are death squads in Jamaica orchestrated by Jamaica's government. So I feel like the only thing is going to happen is higher up that's dirty and corrupt is going to investigate the liquor man what them sent on a job that didn't turn out the way that it's supposed to turn out. That's just all that is. And it just make Jamaica government police force and JCF just look bad. Them look dirty. Them look corrupt. Them look I can't even say in words how them look in the eyes of not only Jamaicans but also other people. It not look good at all. And they were also saying that the man that pursued the 3 police officers that did the hit on Junior Biggs needs to be careful, because one of the men escaped from police custody, and if he escaped, he's definitely going to try kill that police that actually got him caught. So there won't be anyone to testify in court that he actually saw him, he actually locked him up, and he was supposed to be going to jail. So him and his family need to be very, very careful at this point, because you know how Jamaica goes. The good always suffer for the bad. One bad apple spoiled the whole bunch, and it's not looking good, honestly. With how these men are supposed to be hitmen, I wouldn't be surprised if there's not a hit out on this police officer that actually caused them to get caught, and his family. So I think that they need to be protected at all times, whether by Indocom, whether by government, whether by some other organization outside of Jamaica. But this police officer is going to need protection. Okay? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Do you think that they let him out? Do you think that he escaped because my Badman and he knows how to escape? Do you think that this is just going to be another case of corrupt at a higher level investigating corruption at a lower level? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm up out of here. Deuces.